In today's video, we'll be reviewing the quality and the features of the new 2024 Kia Seltos.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Welcome once again to Sim Action Auto Review channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification, like, share and also, comment down below. The 2024 Seltos earns its spot in Kia's range, which is full of other vehicles with comparable values, thanks to its sleek appearance, roomy interior, and fun-to-drive edge. The Seltos sits between the smaller Soul and the bigger Sportage, but because to its slightly larger than subcompact size, it has greater cargo space than competitors like the Hyundai Kona and the Nissan Kicks. The Seltos boasts improved inside entertainment technology and new appearance for 2024, making it even more appealing than before. There are two 4-cylinder engines you can choose from, one of which has a turbocharger and 195 horsepower. One of our favorite small SUVs, the Seltos comes with all-wheel drive as standard on the majority of versions and offers exceptional value and utility even on the base model. For 2024, the Seltos exterior and internal styling have been updated. Along with new wheel designs and a rear light bar that joins the tail lamps, the SUV's exterior has been improved by a redesigned grille and modernized lighting components. The more conventional shift lever of the present model appears to have been replaced with a rotary controller, while the cabin receives an updated infotainment panel with two huge screens. With the addition of a new 8-speed automatic transmission to replace the previous 7-speed unit, the Seltos' optional turbocharged 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine now produces 195 horsepower, an increase of 20 horsepower over the previous model year. A tough-looking X-Line variant with distinctive external appearance also joins the roster. The SX model has practically everything, but the EX is also well-equipped and far less expensive. Faux leather upholstery, a driver's seat with 10-way power adjustment, heated front seats, a wireless phone charging pad, and a new dual-screen infotainment system with in-dash navigation are all included. Those that require it have the option of choosing all-wheel drive. In the Seltos, Kia offers two distinct 4-cylinder engines, a 2.0-liter with 147 horsepower and a 1.6-liter turbocharged with 195 horsepower. The 1.6-liter turbocharged engine in the Seltos that we tested had more than enough power. The turbo comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission, as opposed to the standard engine's continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT. All grades, excluding the S and EX, come standard with all-wheel drive. The Seltos handles well for an SUV and has a hard but generally smooth ride. It is far more exciting and composed than competitors like the Jeep Compass and Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. We will update this article with the results of the acceleration test and further driving impressions once we have the opportunity to test the revised Seltos at our home base. The EPA predicts that the MPG numbers for Seltos will be reasonably efficient. For front-wheel drive versions with the 2.0-liter 4-cylinder, the projected highway fuel economy is up to 34 miles per gallon. An all-wheel drive Seltos with a turbocharged 1.6-liter managed 30 miles per gallon on our highway fuel economy test route. Compared to the Hyundai Kona, the Seltos has significantly larger inside room for passengers and goods. The interior's materials are elegant enough to look at home in the showroom next to the company's outstanding Telluride SUV. The pricier SX variant comes standard with inside ambient lighting that can be configured to pulse in time with the music similarly to the technology Kia offers in the smaller Soul SUV. During our test drive of the pre-facelift model, the cargo space easily accommodated our carry-on baggage, backpacks, and camera bag. During our testing, we were able to stow 20 bags with the back seats folded. With a new continuous panel covering 2/3 of the dashboard and acting as both a digital gauge display and an infotainment touchscreen, the Seltos infotainment system has undergone a significant overhaul for 2024. Similar to the options available on other contemporary Kia vehicles, this configuration is optional. Standard displays have a smaller screen and an analog gauge cluster. While Sirius XM satellite radio and an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot are optional, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard on all models. On the Seltos, Kia has a standard set of driver assistance technology, while more advanced functions like adaptive cruise control are optional. I'm glad that you now fully understand this vehicle. Would you kindly do me the favor of subscribing to this channel and pressing the notification bell button so that you are notified as soon as we upload another video like this? Thank you.
Audio Jungle.